Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 4 elegant, super easy buns. You can recreate them so quick. But before starting, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles for more. Also guys, let me know in comments down below which of these hairstyles did you try and which one actually is your favorite. And now, let's get started. For our first updo, we want to select our front sections and twist them away from our face. Then you want to bring them both together in the back and tie it using a clear elastic. Make sure everything is nice and tight. You want to topsy tail. Now you want to select your topsy tail and half of your remaining hair. Bring them up. You can use a brush of course too. And you want to tuck it into the topsy tail like I'm showing. Now you want to grab all remaining hair, use a brush to bring it up like so, and you want to tie it using a clear elastic, especially if you have layers, and bring them into our topsy tail to create this voluminous and beautiful elegant updo. Guys, if you have layers and you know that your hair will not stay in place, make sure to use some good bobby pins to fix your bun in place. I'll use 2 on my side sections. For our next hairstyle, we want to select our hair like creating a low ponytail like that. Now you want to make an opening and bring your ponytail up. Then you want to bring all remaining hair down like I'm showing and use a clear elastic, especially if you have layers again like I do, and tie the ends with this elastic. Now you want to bring the ends inside of our created bun and use 2 bobby pins to fix it in place. For our third hairstyle, again we'll make a low ponytail. Make sure last time to bring your hair up and tie it only halfly. I'll say a little bit just. Now you want to bring the ends down. Make sure to use a brush to make everything nice and smooth. Again, use a clear elastic to secure your ends, especially if you have layers like I do. Now you want to bring the ends through the elastic of our ponytail, and I'm done. You can use some bobby pins to fix on the sides. Done. For the last elegant updo, we want to make again a low ponytail. Yes. Last time, make sure to bring your fingers through the elastic, bring your hair up, and folding your hair, bring it through the elastic the way I'm showing. I'll show you one more time so you can see what I'm doing. Then you want to wrap this created loop all around your ends, creating this voluminous round shape of our bun. You want to use some bobby pins to fix it in place. Use some hairspray if you need, and you're done. Guys, tell me please in comments down below which of these summer elegant buns is your favorite. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe of course for more hairstyles because I post a lot. But that's it for today guys, and you know I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye.